Hey everyone, it's Alicia here at Strand Salon, here for some tips on how to take care of chlorine damaged hair. I'm here with my niece Maya. She's got some nice chlorine damaged hair from all the pool fun she's been having this summer. So I've already got her all wet. And what we're going to start with is the Paul Mitchell Shampoo 3, which is meant for removing chlorine from hair. And we're going to lather her up real good. Alright, now that we've got her hair all sudsy, we're going to go ahead and rinse her. And chlorine is very drying to the hair, so we're going to follow up with a nice moisturizing conditioner, such as the All Booty Cream Rinse. It is very moisturizing. It'll help take out all those little tangles from all the chlorine. As for preventing chlorine damage, one of the best things that you can do is before you get into the pool, go ahead and get your hair wet and spray it down with some good leave-in conditioner, and then either put it up into like a braid or a bun so that not as much of the chlorine can get into your hair. Alright, now that we're all finished washing, we're going to go on over and get her all styled up. Now we're going to follow up with a nice moisturizing leave-in conditioner that is also a detangler. We're just going to spray it through the ends. And then go under the handy-dandy wet brush to get through all those tangles. From here you can go ahead and style however you want. I'm going to go ahead and braid her hair for her. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. This has been Alicia here at Strand Salon. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks coming in the future.